You're gonna love this, Matt, because you're probably gonna die.
Sorry, I'm just putting my hand in your pocket.
That's slightly, I kind of liked it.
Take me on a date?
Well, probably not a date.
Oh, it's not disappointing.
Something fell off. I think what we should have done is filmed you, Matt, because you've not experienced this yet.
I'm not.
I reckon it might terrify you.
It's new territory for me.
What, being
I can't believe I haven't got a seatbelt.
Before anyone calls me out on the interwebs, 1962 hasn't got seatbelts. And I'm very for seatbelts, because it actually annoys me when people don't wear them. It's weird because I'm obsessed with them in a modern car, and I'm getting something old and I don't even think about the fact I've not got them on. Speed bump.
Oh, I nearly lost my head.
And again. Probably should have slowed down. A lot of people have been questioning about the YouTube channel as well and what we're kind of aiming to do. What I think the answer to that is I don't know. I'm not really sure what the aim is with YouTube. Matt's been harassing me for probably 8 months, asking if we can start a YouTube channel. Obviously, he feels the need, I wish I could speak. He feels the world needs some of my beautiful looks and charisma, charm. I don't know, maybe that's what the world needs at the moment. Maybe it's probably not what I need. We've had a good response to the first few, and the aim is to bring one out every week. We're not sure what day of the week they're going to come out now after conversations, but once a week there will be a video of some description. Some might be like today, where we just drive around and have a chat. What's going on, what's not going on.
One day you will take me on a date.
I doubt that. You'd be a cheap date, I reckon. Doesn't drink and doesn't eat, so definitely a cheap date. So, show, obviously in September. If you haven't bought a ticket for your show car, you're too late because it's already sold out. We do have a reserves list, which you can sign up to on info@ohsoretroevents.co.uk. You send me over an email with who you are, what your car is, a couple of pictures always helps. And if a space becomes available, we will let you know. It is likely there will be, because I've still got to go through and process them all, because that's a bit of a mammoth task, because when you put the tickets on sale and they sell out in 3 hours, flex. So, show's 25th September, it is sold out for show cars. Bikes, we'd love, if you've got an old bike, old scooter, if you're part of a club, hit me up, because I'm willing to try my best to convince you to come, to make the event, well, a bit bigger, a bit different to what it has been normally. And if we can get enough bike stuff signed up, I will do a specific, I'll try not to crash, a specific award for best car, best scooter, no, not best car, best bike, best scooter, which I think would be pretty cool. Let's go this way. I'll try not to crash Matt while I'm doing it. Matt's taking selfies. We're in my Splitscreen at the moment. Most of you will probably have seen it at some point, or a picture of it on the interwebs. Do you know, I was thinking about this earlier. 14 years I've had this.
Really?
Yeah, you wouldn't believe it. Look how young I look and youthful. I got it when I was 16 and I'm now 30. Probably beat that out, how old I am.
No, believe it.
No, I feel older than 30 to be honest some days, but no, I've had it 14 years now. Obviously a lot of you will only know it looking shiny and pretty like it does when I bother to clean it. It's filth at the moment. Most of you won't have even known me. Well, there's a few people that have known me when I was that young. My mum and dad, they knew me when I was 16. See, now this is the game because the speedos stopped working, so we're going for a speed camera. Game is you follow the car in front, don't you, and hope that they're not speeding. Worst comes to worst, I just deny I was driving. But yeah, so show, again I'll go back to that. Public entry, we've always got loads of room. You can pre-book it, you do save money if you pre-book it. There is public parking, there's hundreds of free bays outside, but I am also sorting the, well, hopefully, the field opposite to use public parking. I know in the past we had a few people, not moan, but comment on the fact that public parking is a bit of an effort and you end up parking in a random side street. We didn't expect the event to get this big really when we started back in 2014. It was me and a few hundred cars in my old school field, and now it's moved to a bigger field. But yeah, everything for the show is all sort of mostly firmed up. I've got my normal bits of hair pulling out to do with the council. If you're watching it, obviously we love you, Fan Industry Council. If you're not, no I don't. I'm glad Matt finds me funny.
I find you absolutely hilarious, mate.
Yeah, the thing is I doubt anyone else does. If you find me funny, let me know in the comments. If you don't, bugger off somewhere else.
Does that mean we've got to try and do serious stuff then?
No, I doubt we're going to do, I'm not sure that we could do serious stuff. This is serious, I'm talking about the show and important things. What you can't see off camera is Matt trying to upload something to Instagram, I'm assuming, and typing, while we're going over bumps.
I've made a sick picture, mate.
Yeah, it's probably blurry.
No, it's not.
This is the graffiti I was saying about. I think that's cool. I preferred the one that originally was at Margate Seafront. It said welcome to Marghetto.
Marghetto.
Yeah, I don't think all the art, well, the people that have moved down here recently, who are slightly more sophisticated than me, a simple yokel, appreciated it. Oh, here we go around this roundabout.
You fell on your lap.
Well, if you want to. I feel this video might be the least amount of views we ever get. Wouldn't it be hilarious if it wasn't? There is a drop curve.
Well, we did have plans, didn't we?
Yeah, oh yeah, we did have plans for a video this week, but I'm just going to drive up this bit of pavement. I mean, if I've got about in the middle of the word Margate, I am sicker than I realise. And then obviously, because when you're cool, you have to air out. And this is when we get out and realise it's nowhere near where it should be. Oh. Can Matt get out of it? That's a big question. Hello, it's me, Lee from OhSoRetro. If you haven't seen already, our show, OhSoRetro Show, is in Margate this year, Sunday the 25th of September, open to the public, 10 till 4. We've got classic cars, we've got retro cars, we've got hot rod, custom bikes, classic bikes, we've got scooters, we've got live music, we've got trade stand, we've got auto jumble, we've got children's entertainment. You can come and buy some OhSoRetro merch. I should say more about this, come and buy some. On the gate, it's £10 an adult. If you pre-book it, it's only £7 an adult. Under 16s are free. Sadly, it's sold out now for classic cars, so if you want to bring your classic car, sorry, but we will see you in Margate Sunday the 25th of September, and I promise you it will be sunny. It won't be like it is currently. I'll see you there. Love you, bye. Now I've got to work out how to get back without crashing. Not sure this is strictly legal. Some would say it's a traffic island, others would argue that it's an extension to the road. Yeah, I'm not really sure what that was all about. We don't really know what we're doing.
No, but we did something constructive.
Well,
maybe.
Maybe. If you're bored, probably you're watching a YouTube video. Head over to ohsoretro.co.uk. That's OhSoRetro.co.uk. It's alright, I'm only meant to be clever. Have a look at our shop and buy yourself a hoodie, buy yourself a t-shirt, because currently we don't make no money out of this. Well, I'm not sure we ever will, but go buy a t-shirt because it helps fund my weird lifestyle that I lead, driving around in old cars and buying old cars and generally breaking old cars and then getting my dad to fix them. If you aren't aware, not that clever. Head over to the website, grab yourself some merch. If you want to support what we do, support me. I would say it supports Matt. I'm not giving Matt a cut of the merch. He definitely doesn't deserve that. Go buy a t-shirt. About 2 weeks from now, I love how you were signalling at me, Matt, but I'm looking at the road, so I couldn't see you like sticking fingers up at me. But in about 2 weeks, we are heading down to Goodwood to Players Classic. I'm really looking forward to it. I went last year and traded. We aren't trading this year. Really looking forward to it, taking the caddy. The caddy currently, with 2 weeks to go, isn't finished. It does run, but it's not right. The manifold is, which is I bought for a Mark 1 Golf, which should fit a caddy, stainless steel 4-branch thing, seems to be rubbing on the steering column rubber boot. I think that's the right term for it. Little one that goes around where the steering column comes out to head towards the rack. The other night we got it started and it caught on fire. It was melting, we had lots of smoke out the bonnet. We thought we had a big problem. Luckily it wasn't, it was just a rubber boot. So I think that's getting removed the next couple of days and we're going to hit that with a hammer so that it clears it, because what else do you do? So hopefully the caddy will be making its way to Goodwood. You will see it hopefully, I keep saying hopefully, at Goodwood for Players Classic. We're there Saturday and Sunday in the Auto Finesse, something area. I think it's the posh bit that means that you've got a cool car.
Oh, we're going to the posh bit?
Well, I mean, I don't know if it is. It's still part of the same show, but I think it's like it means you're super cool. If you're in the other bit, nah, your car's probably, it's better than Matt. Matt drives a Kia.
The bus.
It's a, well, got too many children. You can tell I haven't got any children, I have lots of shiny things. That could be another advert. I should be like a Durex advert. Hey kids, use Durex. Then you can have shiny things like I do. Or don't use them, end up like Matt and end up with a Kia. I don't know what it even is.
It's a Sedona.
Kia Sedona. It has got an electric sliding door that I have already told him won't work in a few weeks, I can guarantee. Players Classic, it's going to be good. We're going to be there, Matt's going to be there, following me around recording on one of the days. If you see us, come and say hello. If you're boring, don't come and say hello. Oh, slow down here. I'm really looking forward to it. Matt's mainly in it because I told him they give out free Monster. I think
I'm after a sponsorship.
Yeah, Matt is after a sponsorship by Monster. Or if you just want to send Matt some Monster so that I haven't got to pay for them. Monster, if you're listening, Matt would love some free Monster, the pink one.
I'm a dedicated drinker.
He's a dedicated drinker. Anyways, we are coming back to dump this van somewhere. That's a speed bump, Matt. Beat that, Matt. We've already had this convo. We're trying to keep PG.
Sorry.
If we actually ever use this, it's been emotional. You've kind of listened to me talk for probably 10 minutes while we've driven around because we didn't know what we were doing today. But we will be back with another video. You can come and watch that. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube things. Probably not appropriate to say things, is it? It's been emotional. We'll see you soon. Love you, bye. Oh, why am I indicating? I'm going in a straight line.